Step into a cutting-edge virtual reality experience that takes you inside the world of solar panel installation. Press the red button to initiate an immersive animation showcasing the construction of the roof frame, installation of solar inverters, and cabling process. Experience the thrilling ascent as the lift transports you to the rooftop level, providing a bird's-eye view of the installation site. Witness the seamless integration of solar panels onto the roof as they fall into place, demonstrating the efficiency and precision of the installation process. Engage with informative video content playing alongside the VR experience, providing insights into the technology and the company behind it. Immerse yourself in a dynamic and educational journey that highlights the innovation and expertise of the company in the renewable energy sector. Notice the detailed textures of the warehouse environment, from the rough concrete walls to the metal barriers and machinery scattered around. Experience the future of business immersion with virtual-reality.co.za, where innovation meets realism and your story takes on a new dimension. Let us transform your vision into an unforgettable virtual reality experience that captivates and inspires your audience. Elevate your brand, engage your customers, and leave a lasting impression with our cutting-edge VR solutions. Step into reality with virtual-reality.co.za.